What's going on, gold members? I'm going to do a quick little kind of market sentiment, trade idea going into tomorrow. So, we still have to give the bulls a lot of credit, a lot of benefit of the doubt. So even though, on Friday we didn't have, that big move higher, we pulled in a little bit, kind of had a little bit of an intraday bounce, no technical damage technically to this, bounce, this run up, whatever we want to call it. Is the bottom in? I don't know, but the bulls are still looking exceptionally strong here. What I have pulled up for you guys is the 4-hour time frame. Here's a couple of things to kind of keep on watch. This is what I want to play going into tomorrow. I want to be ready for both sides of the market. So we did have a decent pullback. Now we could bounce from here, and I'm going to give some levels to the long side, whether you want to trade the actual triple Qs ETF or you want to trade a stock that's inside the triple Qs. If the triple Qs are going to break out or break down, more than likely your stocks like Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft, they're all going to do kind of the same thing, right? They're going to tail and they're going to have their own specific levels. But obviously, looking at the overall picture, the bigger picture here with the triple Qs is going to give us a good idea of where we should be looking. Should we be looking to short? Should we be looking to buy calls? What are we looking to do here? So looking at the 4-hour time frame here, we had that nice pullback into this rising 20-day moving average as well as this Bollinger Band. Okay, we did break below and we put in a low here on the triple Qs at 318.36, and then we got a nice bounce. Where we stopped at is right here at the 5 and 10-day moving average. We were rejected, pushed down, rejected, pushed down. This can still go one of two ways. To the downside, what I would be looking for here is a breakdown below 318.36. If the Qs start to lose 318.36, you can take a short position here. We do have next support at 315. Now, if you want to play a specific stock, like say, for example, you want to play Nvidia short, make sure that the triple Qs have broken down below 318.36 to the downside before you really start looking to short Nvidia. Okay, even if the market's going down and Nvidia is going down, but the triple Qs are still holding 318.36, I wouldn't jump into an all-out short position on Nvidia because that's the fastest way to get trapped. Now, to the long side, what I would like to see here, if the market does decide to bounce, like let's say we do get a little gap down or we get some washout and then we do start to bounce, I want to get over this 10-day moving average and over these two prior 4-hour wicks here. We have a sneaky area here at 323.85. We can play the triple Qs into 325.50. Okay, so what that means is if the Qs can take out 323.85, we can play those calls. We can get into those calls or get into a specific stock long as the triple Qs are over that 325 or 323.85 area, and we can kind of cover our position here at the highs going back to 325.60. Now, if we do break 325.60, I would expect to run up into 328. I would definitely take profits on your specific stock and or this ETF if you are playing it at around 327 and a half, 328 for sure. I'd be locking in profits. I wouldn't really want to get, go see a green position go to red just because we're looking to get greedy. Remember, in order to be consistent trading stocks and especially options, we need a couple of things to happen. We need a stock to confirm an area of supply or demand, but we need room, right? So notice I didn't say that, hey, if the triple Qs take out 321.82, we've got room to 322. There's no room in this trade. There's no room over this 4-hour candle into this 10-day moving average. This is not a trade I want to be involved in because if it quickly comes up here and then pulls back, now I'm at a loss. I want something that if it clears out an area of supply, I know I've got room, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, so forth and so forth. You can see here, if we lose the lows, we've got room down. You can see if we get over these highs here, we've got room up. And you can definitely see if we break this consolidation here, we've got a lot of room up into 328. Now, obviously, I don't want to hold here at 328 expecting for the moon and then to get your face ripped off here. So make sure you're smart about this and make sure you're quick with the trigger finger. Make sure it's all about taking small profits. Guys, I don't care if you're making 25 bucks a day or you're making $25,000 a day. The more times you can consistently take money out of this market and have the right mindset and come in here and do this each and every single day, you will be profitable at the end of the year. I do not care. Do not look for the 1,000% gainer. Look to make that 15%. Look to make that 25%. Look to make 50% and close up the screens. Go away. Go do something else. Go for a walk. Go enjoy your family. Go to work. Go do whatever you got to do. But make sure you're taking profits. I hope this video helps you guys. This is what I'm going to be looking at going into tomorrow. I'm ready on both sides of the market, however it happens. I probably will be trading live for a little bit, at least for the first 1 hour or 2 hours. If any of you guys want to jump on, just send me a message or so forth. I'll catch you guys all tomorrow.